Hello everyone, welcome back to my another English blog. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language in a good way. So guys, as you know, my name is Preeti and I am basically belong from Uttarakhand, Dehradun district. So today I thought I should make blog because I visited my bua's place. So now we are going to back because uh, mm, I'm come with my sister and she is also want to visit bua's place. So that's why we thought, because my bua said many time you are not come our home and uh, all things. So that's why we are at Kalsi. So Kalsi is located in Dehradun district. So that's why you can see the weather around. As you know, monsoon is going on, so that's why the weather is very gloomy and pleasant, you can say. And now we are going to back, so we are on fifth, you can say. Sorry, I pronounce I think wrong. We are on path where we have to go the main road. So then we uh, take a rickshaw and then we go to Vikasnagar. So Vikasnagar is our hometown. So we are going to there, and now I'll show you something, the weather around me. So guys, you can see the weather all round. The view is like this. You can see cloud is like gloomy, and this is place is located in Kalsi. So you can see the river here. This is a Yamuna river and this is the bridge there. You can see pull, and now we have to go on this path to main market and main road. And she is my sister, and the rain is going to start again, so we should go as soon as possible, because if start uh, having so I think heavy rain, so we might stuck here. So that's why we should go. So guys, I have to look at in this path, because if I sleep here once, so you can see what will happen. So I have to be carefully walk on this path, you can see. So today I thought I should make blog, because whenever I going somewhere, usually I'm not go anywhere because I have so many work to do and also my study. So that's why I'm not go somewhere. But whenever my sister is come, so that time we will visited some places, like we you go outing for time, and she is now also make her reels. So now, and today I thought I should make my blog, because if I don't do continue my journey, if I don't make any video, so I'll forget all things which I learned in my initial days. So that's why I hope this video is going to help you somewhere, because if uh, which people are beginner, so they can understand easily, because I am not also fluent in this language, but I can say I can understand, and I can what can I say, I can convey my thought a little bit. I do so many mistakes grammatically, but this is the normal thing, because this is not our native language. So this is the second language for us. So that's why if we are gradually want to learn this language and do some practice daily, so we can improve. So that's why I do these all things. So whenever I mm, find a good time and whenever I visit somewhere, so that time I always think I should make vlog. Uh, so that's why I make my short vlog, you can say. So guys, we have to reach the main road and then we will go to Vikasnagar. So guys, you can see my sister is here. So we are going to in man road and you can see I have my bag and umbrella too, because I carry umbrella because of the rainy season going on. So we should carry always umbrella, is necessary in these days. So now we are going, and if you want to see the river waves here, because the water flow is going very heavy, you can see. I'll show you if I go in this path. So let's. So guys, you can see the river here. This is the river nowadays. You can see the water flow here. This is the river of Yamuna river, and this is Brij. So you can see this water flow is divided, I think, into three section, but you can see the flow here because nowadays monsoon is going on, that's why water flow is heavy. So